Hello everyone, this is Sagarika from Campus Technology, a portfolio company of Times Internet. So before I begin, I will just share my screen and start the slideshow. So as you can see, today's presentation will be about the most used programming languages like Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript and SQL. So before we go into details, first let's understand what a programming language is. A programming language is a computer language programmers use to develop software programs, scripts, or other sets of instructions for computers to execute. Although many languages share similarities, each has its own syntax. Once a programmer learns the language's rules, syntax, and structure, they write the source code in a text editor or IDE. Then, the programmer often compiles the code into machine language that can be understood by the computer. Scripting languages, which do not require a compiler, use an interpreter to execute the script. So we'll go one by one of each of the programming languages that we have. So firstly, we'll start with Python, and this is the logo for Python. As you can see, I have put few pointers here. So let's first understand what Python is and the uses it can be put to. Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites as well as software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create a variety of different programs and isn't specialized for any specific problem. This versatility, along with its beginner friendliness, has made it one of the most used programming languages of today. A survey conducted in 2022 shows that Python is the fourth most popular programming languages, with respondents saying that they use Python almost 50% of the time in their development tasks. Python is commonly used for developing the websites, task automation, data analysis, and visualization. What can you do with Python? Some of the main things that you can do with Python include data analysis and machine learning, web development, automation or scripting, software testing and prototyping, and finally, everyday tasks. Next, we have Java. And on the right hand side, we have the code Java. Java is the object-oriented, platform-independent programming language used to develop distributed applications that run on the internet. It is similar to C++ high-level programming language and architecture neutral developed by James Gosling. Java was originally called Oak, OAK. Java is a computing platform for application development. Object-oriented, meaning the capability to reuse already available codes. Secondly, it is platform independent. What do we mean by platform independent? That is, we don't have to develop separate applications for different platforms. It is possible to develop a single application that can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Unix, and Macintosh systems. Java designed for handheld devices and set-top boxes. Java technology is both a platform as well as a programming language. The source codes for Java programs are usually written in human readable format and in a plain text file with a Java extension, compiled into files with a .class extension using the Java compiler. The Java language uses the syntax of C++ language, but the main difference from C++ are associated with the need to reduce the size of programs and increase the security requirements for portable applications running on the network. Java does not support pointers since the ability to work with arbitrary memory addresses through typeless pointers allows you to ignore memory protection. Java automatically manages the memory garbage collection routine activated when the system runs short of memory. Java is a highly secure language because the Java runtime environment provides strict rules for programs started from remote hosts. These programs cannot access the local network, cannot access files on the local system, and cannot start programs. Thirdly, we have C, and you can find the logo of C on your right hand side. The C programming language is a general purpose language operating system agnostic and procedural language that supports structured programming and provides low level access to the system memory. Loved by programmers for doing low level coding and embedding programming, C has found its way gradually into the semiconductor, hardware, and storage industries. Some of the most important features of C programming language include it has inbuilt functions and operators that can solve virtually any complex problem. C is the combination of both low-level and high-level programming languages, and it can be used to write an application and interact with low-level system memory and hardware. The programs written in C are speedy due to the support provided by its data types and operators. It is easily extendable as C++ was derived from C with additions like OOPS and other features. The functions and operators are supported by the libraries provided by the programming language itself. Next, we have C++. So whether you are a person who's just starting with coding or just as a part-time hobby or someone who just wants to enhance their current role, the first thing that you need to do is decide on the programming language you want to start with. One go-to programming language commonly used by developers all over the world is C++. In fact, most video games, embedded systems, IoT devices, or resource-heavy AI applications run on C++. With so many users of C++, it is highly recommended as one of the most good and best languages to learn. Next in line, we have JavaScript. So what is a JavaScript? JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on the client side and server side that allows you to make web pages interactive. Where HTML and CSS are languages that gives structure and style to your web pages, JavaScript gives web pages interactive elements that engage a user. Some of the common examples of JavaScript that you might use every day include search box on Amazon, a news recap video embedded on the newspaper, or refreshing your Twitter feed. Incorporating JavaScript improves the user's experience of the web page by converting it from a static page into an interactive one. A JavaScript is mainly used for web-based applications and web browsers, but JavaScript is also beyond the web in software, servers, and embedded hardware controls. JavaScript allows users to interact with web pages. They show or hide more information with the click of a button. You can change the color of a button when the mouse hovers over it. Zooming in or zooming out on an image, displaying a timer or countdown on a website, playing audio and video on a web page, everything can be done. You can also use it for creating web and mobile apps. So developers often use JavaScript frameworks for developing and building web and mobile apps. JavaScript frameworks are collections of JavaScript code libraries that provide developers with pre-written code to use for routine programming textures, features, and tasks. Popular JavaScript front-end frameworks include React, React Native, Angular, and Vue. You can also use JavaScript for building web servers and developing server applications. Next, we have SQL. What is SQL? SQL is Structured Query Language, which basically refers to a standard programming language utilized to extract, organize, manage, and manipulate data stored in relational databases. SQL is thereby referred to as a database language that can execute activities on databases that consist of tables made up of rows and columns. SQL plays a crucial role in retrieving relevant data from databases, which can later be used by various platforms such as Python or R for analysis reports. SQL can manage several data transactions simultaneously where large volumes of data are written concurrently. SQL is an American National Standards Institute standard that operates via multiple versions and frameworks to handle backend data across various web applications supported by relational databases such as MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle PostgreSQL, and others. Top companies owned by Meta Inc., such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, also rely on SQL for data processing and backend storage. I hope you all enjoyed this short introduction to the various programming languages. I will meet you soon to discuss about each of these programming languages in details. Thank you.